Hey there, I'm Heidi Swapp, and I'm here at Scrapbook.com, and I'm about to show you the easiest way to make a super wow factor cover for a mini book. All right, let me show you a couple examples. Look at this one, super fun. Everything is going to be okay. I love this because, first of all, I love this paper from my new Storyline Chapters collection. It's one of my very favorite papers, but it just gives this awesome impact. Love it. So easy. I used rose gold foil here. This is one I did using my Art Walk papers. And look at how fun all of those different words are. I use my new iridescent green foil, and it is just so cute and small and just fun to hold. This one is fun. It was super easy to make using my cinch, but look at how I put a clear cover and then I have this tell your story, which is also done with the same technique that I'm about to show you. Okay, so I know the suspense is killing you, right? Here we go. So these are some new stencils that are just made out of paper. And so they are inexpensive to get this entire set, and you can use them multiple times. They're not going to last forever, just like a plastic one does, but they also can be embellishments. So once you use them, you can also turn them into an embellishment on your project as well. So let me show you how this works. So you're going to grab my texture paste. It comes in clear, it comes in white, and I'm just going to kind of put a dollop of about that much. I don't know how much you'd say, like a cotton ball. That might even be a little bit much. So, and then you can use anything. Like this scraper has seen better days, as you can tell, but you can use a piece of chipboard, you can use a credit card that's maxed out, or a gift card that you keep forgetting about, whatever you want. And you're just going to take some of this texture paste. Now, if I was really actually making a cover for this book, I would probably tape this off so it wouldn't move, and also because I don't want any texture paste to go where I don't want it. But you're going to lay it down flat, and then we're just going to scrape right over the top of it. Turns out that actually half that much texture paste was enough, probably. So half of a cotton ball amount. All right. Once you have scraped it so that it's even along the top of the stencil, you'll pull it up, and you're going to want to set this aside so it will dry, which will make it easier for you to use again. So I like to just put my projects when I want them to dry, both my stencil and also, like if this was the cover of a book, I would just go ahead and set it right on top of the Minc. That is a great way to utilize the heat from the Minc and also dry it at the same time. Okay, I've already got one ready to go. It's already dry, and it's already ready to become the front cover of an album. So if I kind of roll this back and forth in the light, you can kind of see this is the clear texture paste, which actually looks super cool, even if you don't put anything on it. Here's the key though. This has to be completely dry before you put it through the Minc. So what happens is this texture paste reacts with the foil and gives us this really great foil effect. So I'm going to use this sparkly foil. I love it. It's got like little sparkly stars on it. And I'm going to want to cut it out large enough so that it can cover the design. Then I'm going to go ahead and stick this right into my transfer folder. Now I've got more foil here than I need. So you would probably trim it down to make it fit the best you can. And we want to also make sure that it lays perfectly flat. Then we're going to go ahead and send this through the Minc. Okay, this is the best part, the reveal, right? Look how awesome that looks. Dun, dun, dun. It is so cool. And what's fun about it is that it just has enough like depth and texture, because the texture paste dries with a little bit of dimension, that it just pops. As if the foil isn't enough, it just pops. So I guarantee you use this on the front of any mini album and it is going to be a showstopper. All right, you guys, get out your Mincs and give this a try. You're gonna love it. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is life handmade.